ISO 9001. It is the international standard organization founded in 1946 in Geneva, Switzerland, known as ISO, has developed a series of standards for quality system known as ISO 9000 series. There are three basic standards of ISO 9000. First states about the fundamentals and vocabulary. Second states about the requirements. Third states about the guidelines for performance improvement. Now here we will discuss about the QMS. What is QMS? An organization has several systems like safety management system, energy management system, financial management system, environment management system, and quality management system or QMS. So we will start with the basics. Like organization has many parties, these different parties are sometimes called as stakeholders like customers, regulatory agencies, employees, shareholders, and vendors. Each has different requirements from the organization and the organization must has to fulfill it. QMS is a system that ensures the organization must meet the following requirements: customer needs, shareholder needs, and the regulations. So what does QMS says? QMS says every work should be documented, follow the documentation, prove it by doing audits, and continuously improve it. QMS helps organization by understanding the requirement of our stakeholders. Like customer needs quality products with appropriate quantity and within specified time. Employee needs safety to work. Government agency needs organization should follow the rules and regulations. Shareholder needs the company should not waste time, money as it reduce profitability and increase costs, which can have a negative impact. Further, QMS helps in ensuring the availability of resources like equipment and facility related items and also ensures training of employees. It helps to perform services and product manufacturing in a better way. As with QMS in place, organization has the standard process and standard procedure, and also it helps in identifying the resources that are available. It checks product manufacturing and services are done correctly. Review and improve by doing audits, as one can ensure that the process has been followed and can continuously look into the opportunity to improve the system. And better planning. Benefits of QMS are happy customers, happy employees, stronger and more efficient organization, reduced operating cost, which is directly saving, legal compliance, ability to win more business. So that's all for the QMS. Thanks for watching.